Hey, it's JD and FIA. I'm going to show you a couple of traditional moves that you'll hear pretty often in gospel music. All right, so we're going to be in the key of A flat. So A flat's our 1, B flat's our 2, C is our 3, D flat is our 4, E flat's our 5, F is our 6, G is our 7, A flat is our 1. All right, so we're coming. This is so basically coming off that 2, that walk up. All right, and I'll show you a few different ways you can close that, including the move there that you hear often. All right, so real quick. All right, so let me give you these chords here, coming off the 2. All right, first I'm playing very simple chords. I'm playing a 2 chord. The progression is going 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so my 2 is going to be a B flat. So I'm playing a B flat minor chord. Left hand B flat, B flat. Right hand D flat, F, and B flat. Next, you're going to play a 3 chord. It's going to be your C minor, or basically it's A flat major over C. All right, so left hand I'm playing C and C. Right hand I'm playing E flat, A flat, C. So we got, all right, then we're gonna go to our 4. In this case, it's D flat major, left hand D flat, right hand F, A flat, D flat. All right, and then you're gonna go to a flat major over E flat. All right, so I have left hand E flat, an octave if you want to. You can add the B flat if you want to. I'm just gonna play the E flat. All right, right hand I'm playing E flat, A flat, C. All right, so we have, and then you're gonna hit the, come down, you gotta get to the 1. Just playing a regular A flat major. All right, so once we get to this point, this is where we have options. All right, I can play the A flat major. So A flat, left hand, right hand, C, E flat, A flat. Or I can sustain it by playing a D flat major over A flat. So I have the same A flats in my left hand, but right hand I'm playing D flat, F, and A flat. And then I'm gonna resolve it down to that same A flat. So let me let you hear that. Or I can do the walk up. All right, that walk up, you're coming off the right here. All right, very simple. All right, so I'm playing 3, 4, 3, minor third, 2, 1. That's my progression. All right, my 3, I'm just gonna play. So you're going to play, everything's gonna be minor except for your 4. So for your 3, you're gonna play C and C octaves. And right hand, I'm playing the minor third, which is E flat. And then I'm playing the C. So the way to look at it is just I'm playing the octave C, the minor third, and then the C, the same C up top. That's my first chord. So I have C, and then I'm gonna go to my 4, and I'm gonna play it major. Same formula. D flat, and then I'm gonna play the major third, F, and then D flat. So whatever note I have in my left hand, I'm gonna have at the top of my right hand. All right, and then I'm gonna play either the major third or the minor third, but the only major third is going to be on the 3 chord, and then the 1 chord. Everything else is gonna be a minor third. So we have the D flat major. So we have C minor, D flat major. All right, back to the same C chord we just did. C left hand, minor third, which is E flat, and then C on my right hand. Then I'm gonna do the same thing off B. All right, so now I have B and B on my left hand. The minor third to B is D. All right, I'm sorry. So B and B, the minor third will be D, and then B up top. Same thing off B, flat. So I have B flat left hand, right hand, the minor third is D flat, and then B flat. So up to there we have C minor, D flat major, and then everything else minor. So C minor, B flat minor, and then we're gonna go to our 1 chord. All right, and when you get that 1 chord, you can play it like that too. So I have C, A flat, and C. All right, so put it all together. So yeah, the 3 ways you can end that. You know, you can take it out just regular, the A flat major. So or you can take it out with the suspended. Or you can do the walk up off the 3. All right, so I hope they helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.